Shukla, and today I explain about the reproduction. So, what is reproduction? Reproduction is a biological process. In this process, all organisms have the capacity to reproduce similar young ones. So, reproduction, it is the process in which organisms produce the similar young ones. They are genetically similar. Why they are genetically similar? Because say offspring DNA made up of their parents' DNA. Then they are
They also
parent
cause the
copies.
variation.
Why reproduction is necessary? It is involved in life process. It is necessary to continuity of life. Then according to organisms we can divide the reproduction. There are two types. First is asexual reproduction and second is sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction perform the unicellular organism. They are made up of single cell. For example, amoeba, Paramecium euglena, they are unicellular organism because they are made up of only single cell. So they perform the asexual reproduction because their body no have any specialized organ, only have the one cells, and single cells divide into two or more cells and perform production of new organisms. Then what is asexual reproduction? In this process, new individuals produced from the single parents. Single parent, for example, amoeba. Amoeba divide into two or more cells and they produce the new offsprings. And second is sexual reproduction. Multicellular organisms perform the sexual reproduction because they are made up of two or more cells, so they have the specialized organ performing for the reproduction. Sexual reproduction in this process involve the two parents and two parents form the new offsprings. For example, human beings. Human beings have the specialized organ for the reproduction, testis and ovary. Testis, reproductive organ present in male. They form the spermatogenesis process and formation of the sperm. And oogenesis, in this process, females produce the female gamete, that is called the ovum. And types of asexual reproduction: fission, budding, regeneration, fragmentation, spore formation and vegetative propagation. That is not a part of organism. Vegetative propagation perform the green plant because some plants start. Vegetative propagation, actual, it is also involved in asexual reproduction. Vegetative propagation perform the plants. All part of the plant have the ability to produce production of the new plants. Then first is fission. Fission, in this process, single organisms divide into two or more cells and production of the new offsprings. There are also two types, binary and the multiple fission. Binary fission, in this process, single organism divide into two parts and produce the two organisms. Single cell produce the two organisms. And multiple fission, in this process, single organism is split or divide into two or more cells and each cells produce the new organisms. For example, this budding process. Budding perform the hydra. In this process, organisms show the outgrowth of the body and they develop and detach the parent body and form the new organism. Budding, example of hydra. And regeneration, in this process, cut part of the body have the ability to regenerate. And then fragmentation, in this process, single cells split multi cells and each cells produce the new organisms. And spore formation, spore is a reproductive cells. Fungi perform the spore formation process for the sporogenesis process. In this process, fungus body show the multicellular reproductive cells and these cells have the ability to production of the new fungus. Then vegetative propagation. Vegetative reproduction, it is a asexual method, but this process not performed the any animals. This process performing by the plants, in which process a new plants grow from a fragments are cutting of the parent plant and produce the new plants. This is called the vegetative reproduction.